Hello, dear friends. How do you feel today? Do you love roses? Please comment and let me know what flower color you like best. It has a beautiful pink color, so I decided to plant it. Today, I would like to share how to propagate this rose branch. Please watch with us.
เดี๋ยวเราดูดิบอกเอาใจเศร้าไปไล่บึงยีเรย์อยากรอกระโลแต่เยอะรอเยอะวิเศษ